Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. I am Muhammad Aminnur Arif bin Muhammad RAZMI, and today I will present about my project, which is HabJariah Changlun. This project has been supervised by my supervisor Dr. SHAFINAH FARVIN and by my lecturer Dr. AHMAD SUKI. And without further ado, let's begin the presentation. Okay, HabJariah Changlun is a web-based donation system that will act as a one-stop center for people to express their kindness in Changlun. So there will be three main elements of the system, which are the donation, request for help, and shop. And there will be 4 users involved, which is the admin, the recipient, the donor, and seller. So by using the system, the donor can have the ability to find the desperate people, and the recipient or the people in need can use the system as the platform for them to seek for helps, and the seller are welcome to advertise and sell their product on this system. Okay, for the problem statement, the first is that there are not many reliable platforms for the donors and people in need. The second is that the trust issue is the problem for people who want to make the donation. The third is that the local business are struggling to operate their business due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, for the objective, the first one is to identify the requirements for HabJariah Changlun. The second one is to design the HabJariah Changlun. The third one is to develop the prototype for HabJariah Changlun. And the fourth is to evaluate the usability for HabJariah Changlun. Okay, the methodology that has been used in this system is rapid application development. The first phase is requirement planning. The second phase is user design. The third phase is construction, and the fourth phase is cutover. Okay, for the finding, the type of evaluation that has been used is usability evaluation, and there are 30 participants from University UTARA Malaysia. And for the materials, the questionnaire has been created using Google Form that consists of 18 questions and 4 sections. In the figure 1, we can see that the majority of the respondents agree HabJariah Changlun is useful in overall, and in the figure 2 is the feedback on whether HabJariah Changlun work as expected. There are 83.3% choose yes and 16.7% choose no. Okay, next, contribution to society. First is people in Changlun will have an efficient and trustworthy donation system. The second is that the people in need will able to seek for help from the system. The third is the seller can have a main website to sell their product. And the fourth is the system will provide the systematic process of helping less fortunate people. And now I will demonstrate the system. Okay, this is the first page that the user will see when try to accessing HabJariah Changlun. They need to register an account or to log in an account to access the system. So I already have an account, so let's log in, and I will enter my username and password, and it will redirect to the landing page. This is some of the information about HabJariah Changlun, and the contact information, the contact form, the location. So at the top of the navigation bar here, we can see that there are several menus. If the user is the recipient or the people in need, they can hover their cursor to the sedekah menu here, and they will see saya perlu bantuan here, and they can click here, and it will redirect to the application form permohonan bantuan. This is where the recipient need to enter their name, the phone number, type of help, details, location, and their IC for the verification, and some of the picture if they are related. I will enter my information and click mohon sekarang, click OK. Okay, now the application is successfully sent and need to wait for the approval from the admin. Okay, now I will demonstrate the admin part. So I already have registered an account for the admin. I will log in the admin. So this is the landing page for the admin. Here is the menu, urus permohonan bantuan dan jualan. This is where the admin can approve and reject the application. The admin can decide to terima or tolak the application. So I will click on terima here to approve the application. It will display permohonan berjaya diterima. So in this page is the list of campaign available for HabJariah Changlun. So here is the latest campaign that we just approved just now. We can see the details. And so if the donor or any people want to make a donation, they can choose any of the campaign and click them. It will display a detail page. The donor can click derma. So it will goes to another page which is the maklumat pada derma, and this is the donor can choose they want to donate the money or the product. Tick the email receipt pembayaran, and also they need to choose the value of the donation or can specific value, and click derma sekarang, and it will show the successfully message or thank you message, and the receipt will send to the email of the donor. Okay, now I will show about the kedai function. Basically the same procedure apply for the seller. First they need to apply for the sales and wait for the approval by the admin. So that's all for HabJariah Changlun. Thank you.